The Molex HSAutoLink interconnect family of products provide engineers with high-speed, rugged cable assemblies for use in communication links in automotive applications, including dash cameras, displays, and sensor systems. The HSAutoLink 1 connectors are US Car 30 compliant. The entire HSAutoLink family offers multiple keying options, while having complete shielding for improving signal performance and reducing EMI, which helps when communicating with sensors and control systems requiring high data rates. The HSAutoLink 2 connectors are ideal for communication systems that require higher circuit counts and increased bandwidths up to 13 gigabits per second. The connectors have robust seals and a closed shield case for use in harsh environments commonly found in automotive applications. HSAutoLink 2 connectors are also offered in a hybrid version suitable for high and low-speed data plus power delivery, simplifying design and cable routing in the vehicle.